Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Here I am going to show you how to add multiple lines to cell in LibreOffice Calc. So what I'm talking about is actually adding line within a cell, not adding another row. And let's write some sample text. Okay, so usually when you type in Calc, it's going to be in this format, right? The first line. And if you want to type something and this looks like it's in the second line, you have to type it in the next row. Like that. However, I'm going to show you right now how to do it within the same cell. Now there are a few caveats need to make sure you get the formatting right, but here is how you can do it. So type the first line, period. Now hit Ctrl plus Enter, so the Ctrl key and Enter key. And you see it takes me to the next line. Just like that. Now we have text on multiple lines within the exact same cell in Calc. We didn't have to merge two cells, we didn't have to do any crazy formatting. All you have to do is Ctrl and then Enter. So that's it for this quick tip in Calc, and remember, if you want to know more tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!